Hey, what's going on right now? Today's been a busy day. Today is the 10th of July. Of course, you can see Chairman Powell speaks today. This week is going to be a pretty good day. I mean, this week is going to be a pretty good week. So you have CPI tomorrow. If I were you guys, I would just stay out of the market tomorrow if you're brand new to to trading. And Friday, I don't trade on Friday anyway, so I'm not worried about that. But it's been pretty good so far this week. The basis of this. A lot of this pretty much it applies to you, but if you swing trading on a daily time frame, your stop loss is pretty much far enough away that you don't have to worry about these spikes. Some of these spikes. Now, this news right here is pretty big news, just like today. So just be careful when you're trying to day trade. But let's go to again. This strategy is for my daily time frame. You see right here, daily time frame traders who work a 9 to 5. All right, who you can't be on the chart every single day at a certain time, or you can be on the chart every single day, but at a certain time frame. So I say the daily trade. Let's do this. Daily trading time to be on the chart is 5 p.m. Let's do with me Central Standard Time every day. All right, that's the only time you have to check this chart. Let's make it big enough for you. This is the only time you have to check the chart. You don't have to check it throughout the day. So we check the chart at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time every day, except of course on weekends. All right. And that's just to monitor trade or look for a trade. So technically, once you figure out the strategy and back test it, you don't have to check it once a day. You enter it, you check all the pairs. If you look over here on forex, all these pairs on the side right here, you can skim through it, all right, and see exactly which one is your setup. All right. And then let's go over here. If you look at the bottom, so you have a forex screener. All right, let me reset this. All right, forex screener, you can go to GP USD. And if you look right here, I always do this. See buy, it's in the uptrend. Weekly, strong buy. Daily, strong buy. So if all those match up, right? And then I have the only indicator I have for this one, all right, is the SMA. All right, and I have it up here as the 20, right here. SMA 1 as the 20. All you got to do is go to indicators, type in SMA again, and go to the smart money. No, not SMA. Which one is that one? It was simple moving average by stock and box. Don't pick smart money concept. Simple moving averages by stocks and box. All right, click on that. All right, go to the indicator up here, setup indicator. Just make this what color you want. You can type it, make it whatever color you want. The thickness, make sure you to go to each one, do the same, and you're good to go. All right, so the strategy is this. What I do is, all right, I look at the trend. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, I look at the trend. All right, which way is it going? All right, bullish or bearish. All right. Once I figure out that, right? So it's bullish now, right? And what I do from here, simple. I'm trying to make it as simple as possible. I also look at the news. Potentially, let's go over here and see where. Let me see. See, there was news came out right here. And there's no news really right here, but there's some news tomorrow. All right, so pretty much look at the news to see what's going on. All right. Then from here, what I do is if I'm bullish, all right, I wait for 2 candle lows to plot above the 20 SMA. So if you look right here, I'm going to show you this. If you look right here, this is wrong. So we're going to make this red. This is for my strategy. All right. As you can see right here, didn't close above 20 SMA. And I know what you're thinking. Yes, it did. It closed above here. Yes, it closed up, but I want the whole thing. I don't even want nothing touching the line. Like here, boom, boom. You can see this was on July 2nd. All right, July 3rd. That was July 4th, no trading that day. And boom. And then now today we had some news, the Fed Powell, but this actually conversely coincided with this news right here and then shot it up. Boom. Okay. All right. So as you can see, July, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trading days, and it went 59 pips. So once you have this trade, right? Once you have this, all right, this is your signal. Let's turn it green. All right. And let's make it right here. Enter on second candle. All right. Put this right here. Enter on second candle. Of course, you waited, you checked it every single day, and it's, probably negative, this and that. It went down a little bit, came back and closed above, came back, closed down below. So you probably, if you don't have the patience, you probably would have been in and out of this trade trying to, it's not going the right way. You just have to let it play out. Let it play out. All right. Enter on second candle. All right. And here's the next thing I'm going to show you. Type in ATR, average true range. All right. Average true range. And then once you come down here, you will go to the options box. Style, you can keep it red or whatever color. You want to do 5. Length is the 5. And the SMA. All right. Put it on chart. All right. This is going to tell you the actual stop loss that you want to go. So when you type it over here, you see 59 at the bottom. All right. If you look at the bottom left, it says 59. All right. Let's see. Let's go over here and see if you can see it. All right. You can see down here. I'm sorry. Down here at the bottom. This is what I want you to look at when I cross over. It says 59. So what did I do? 590, 590, that's 59. Okay, you got it? All right. From there, all right, enter trade. All right, enter trade. Then based off the ATR will be your take profit. Let's put take profit instead of, you can just do TP and SL, which is stop loss. All right, which is your stop loss. Okay. All right. Also, okay, that's good right there. So everybody got it. So every day you can come and check this. Every day it's 5 o'clock. All right. Now, what you don't do is you don't enter the trade right at 5 o'clock because the spreads are pretty high. All right. The spreads are pretty high. So also, I want to show you this. Before you enter that position, you're going to make sure you go to my FX book. You go to home. All right. And you go to forex calculators. All right. Forex calculator. And then go to position size. So type in. All right. If you don't already know, if you've been doing it a while, like I can look and say, okay, I want to risk one lot size for 59 pips. That'll be $590, and so on and so forth. All right. So let's just say you have a $1,000 account. If you risking up to 5%, 59, that'll give you a $50 trade. All right. If you're a big boy, whatever you want to risk something else, that's $100 on a $1,000 trade. But if you're brand new starting off, I wouldn't suggest putting $1,000 in. But if you do put $1,000, you can risk 1%. That's $10. All right. Again, myfxbook.com to calculate your stop loss and your take profit and stop loss. on the one-to-one. All right, so think about it. And even if you go a little bit higher, let's go over here. Let's go. Say you have a prop firm account, right? You got 100K prop firm account. All right, 1%. That's $1,000. All right. So on this trade, you waited. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days to make $1,000. All right. All right. So let's do before. Let's make this 5. We're gonna make a 4 right here. Risk management. All right. And that'll be on my FX book. Risk management. All right. Decide your position size. All right. Does that make sense? All right. So let's get rid of this. So daily trading time frame to be on the daily trading time to be on the chart is 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. All right. You forgot the trend. And pretty simple of the trend, it just tells you it's the 20 AMA. Even if you want to put the 200 on there, all right, put the 200 on there. The 200 is way down here. So you can see it's on the uptrend. You can even put the 50 on there. Let's see which one I got as the 50. Oh, I don't have one as a 50. Let's do the 50. That's 50. Tells you. Look at that. 20 is 50 and the 200. All three of them tell you we're on the uptrend. All right. All right. And let's do this. 20 SMA. You can use the 50 SMA, and you can use the 200 SMA. All right. The 200 is definitely longer term, but I would suggest the 20 or the 50. All right. 20 and or the 50. All right. Wait for the second candle lows to plot above the SMA. Remember, I said this. And let's get rid of this 50 for you so you're not so confused, totally confused. Did not close above the 20. Yes, this did up here, but I want it to be completely, the whole candle completely. All right, if you look right here, it's the first one. This happened on the 2nd of July. I had to wait a full day, wait a second day, the 3rd of July. All right. Now, since this pair actually still traded during July 4th, because this is GC, Great Britain Pound Chef. It still had some trading going on. I wouldn't say it's too much volume, but it was some trading going on. All right. So enter right here. You could have entered on that afternoon, the Asian session before the 4th took place. All right. And then you waited 5 days. And then today, on the 10th of July, it actually hit the take profit. All right. Wait for the 2 candle low supply, like it says. Boom. Risk management. You will go to my FX book. If you have 100,000 K, let's do a 50K account. Let's say that. That's $500. Let's do a 25K. Say you can't afford to hunt those two. 25K. All right. Let's do a 10K. Say you can only afford a 10K. That's $100. What you call it? And then right here, let's say you can afford that 5,000. That's $50. All right, $50 on that account. All right. So all in all, if you're risking 1%, you still make money on this, and then you didn't have to watch the charts all day. Because if you have a 9 to 5, you still have other income coming in, which is actually a good thing, beautiful thing. You don't have to look and check these charts all day. You can check it one time a day. All right, and then enter the trade based off the ATR. Remember, the ATR is down here. All right, 590. 590. Let me move this for you again. If you see down here, ATR, the 5-period SMA, you look right here, it's 599. So that's 59 pips. All right. Let's go back over here. All right, 59 pips. All right. So, and then that's the end of it. So you do a 1-to-1 based off the ATR will be your take profit and your stop loss. All right. And that's pretty much it. All right. Hope you guys let's go over to GC. Let's go over to GC. GU. I'm sorry. Let's go over to GU. Same concept. Let me go over here, and so that way you can see both. Let me see. Let me do this and copy. Let's go over here. And then let's go. Let's see. Paste. Same thing. If you look right here, July 4th, that next day. All right, this was July 4th. All right, and then it spoke. It went up. All right, if you look at the ATR, that's 67. I entered the trade, 67 points. All right, I went over to my, changed it. All right. Let's stay with this account. So 1, and then did we say 65? Let's see. Did we say 65 or no? We said 67. All right, 67. All right. Oh, let me see. 67. Calculate. So this will be your units. This is your units, and this is your sizing. So you do a 1.34 lot on this trade. All right, 1.34 lot on that trade. All right, and then go from there. You're in the trade right now. All right, now let me just show you. All right, let me just show you. Let me go over here and take this. This is my 1.3 lot, which is 134,000. Go down here to quantity. Paste. All right, you enter the trade. Boom, right here. All right, so you'll be right here, and you'll be down here. All right, you go in here. All right, you down a little bit, 85, down 300. All right, you good? Don't panic. All right, it's not done, so that's why we was in the negative. But right now, if you look at it, if we go tomorrow, it'll be in the positive. All right, because we still going on with this day since we're on the daily time frame. But right here, you're up $260. $260 you're up right now because it's 26 pips. All right. So same thing. Like I said, check the ATR and daily profit. So hopefully you guys understand that. And then every single day, you know, this is 20-something pairs. You just go through here, find the setup that we talked about. Find the setup that we talked about. If you look right here, the setup was in June. Boom, boom. This was the end of June. All right, went to the ATR. Found the ATR. That was 36 pips. Easy, 36 pips. Why did I do that? 36 pips. Take that off. Boom. Within a day, you had it. All right, so hopefully you guys understand that and have a good trading week.